Welcome to the top best. The best flip folder pages is probably one of the most underrated organizational tools out there. If you're drowning in a sea of loose papers, photos, or documents, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flip folder pages, exploring their features, benefits, and why they might just be the perfect solution to declutter your life and keep everything at your fingertips. Let's get started. Number 5. AdjustaView 10 Pocket Desk Reference Organizer. Need quick access to important information? This organizer provides easy access to what you need daily. It has 10 pockets that can display up to 20 letter-size sheets, saving you time and money. The crystal clear, easy-load pockets make inserting documents simple. They protect your papers from creasing or tearing. Adjustable index tabs help you quickly find the right page. The round 12-inch base offers great stability and protects your desk. It includes compartments for pens, paper clips, and post-its, keeping everything organized. This organizer adjusts to 5 different angles, ensuring comfortable viewing whether you're sitting or standing. It is designed for your convenience. Built to last, this organizer is made from heavy-duty polystyrene. It's durable and designed to provide years of use. It is a great investment. What we like. This desk organizer offers an adjustable viewing angle, perfect for both sitting and standing. The built-in storage base keeps your essentials within reach. If you are looking for a durable and versatile solution for your desk, this is the one. You'll appreciate its lifetime guarantee. What people say. The pages are clear and easy to see through. The flip design is very convenient for quick access to information. The product is well made and durable. Number 4. Outus 24 Pieces Music Folder. This music folder is designed to keep your music sheets in order. It's the perfect size for most sheets, so you won't run out of space. You'll receive 24 pieces, perfect for office or school use. Each bag measures 7.5 by 6.3 inches, providing ample space for various items. Made of quality PVC material, this folder is waterproof and tear-resistant. It protects your items from water and dust, ensuring long-term use. The translucent design allows for easy identification of contents. The 2-hole punch design makes it simple to organize and arrange your sheets. Use it for papers, files, music scores, photos, and more. This folder helps you classify and keep your items tidy and well stored. What we like. These flip folder pages are made of waterproof PVC material, protecting your documents from the elements. The translucent design allows for easy identification of contents. If you need a reliable and easy-to-organize solution for your music sheets or other documents, this is a great choice. You will find it very convenient. What people say. The pages are clear and the binder is sturdy. The product is great for displaying photos. The flip pages are easy to use. Number 3. Outus 12 Pieces Music Folder 7.5 by 6.3 inch. This music folder is designed with a proper size to fit most music sheets. You won't have to worry about running out of space. It brings convenience for you. You'll receive multiple file document bags with 2 holes. They are enough for holding various items, suitable for both office and school use. Each bag measures approximately 7.5 by 6.3 inches. Made of PVC, this folder is of quality and waterproof material. It resists tearing and protects your items from water and dust. The material is soft and durable for long-term use. The 2-hole punched file bags feature a translucent design. This allows you to easily distinguish items inside. You can quickly find what you need and organize them efficiently. You can use this folder to store papers, files, music scores, photos, invoices, stamps, and receipts. It helps you classify your items and keep them in tidy condition, ensuring your items are well stored. What we like. These flip folder pages are made of waterproof PVC material, protecting your documents from the elements. The translucent design allows for easy identification of contents. If you need a reliable and easy-to-organize solution for your music sheets or other documents, this is a great choice. You will find it very convenient. What people say. The pages are clear and easy to see through. The binder is sturdy and the pages are easy to turn. It holds a lot of pages. Number 2. Grover TR9412 Flip Folder Windows 12 Pack. This is the Grover Flip Folder window. It's a convenient solution for organizing your documents. This pack includes 12 folders. The product is made in China. It's designed for quality and durability. The item package weight is only 0.017 kilograms. It's easy to carry around. With this folder, you can keep your papers neat and tidy. It helps you stay organized. This model is the TR9412. It's a reliable choice for your filing needs. What we like? This flip folder features a simple design and is easy to use. It is also durable. If you are looking for a basic, reliable flip folder, this is a great option. It will serve your needs well. What people say? It's roughly an inch shorter than a normal window, but it actually fits music better to where it never slips or falls out. Good windows. The holes at the top make it simple to attach rings so you can add and remove pages as necessary. Nice sturdy high quality. Sun is a drummer and this protects the music, stays secure and stays together. Stands up to the rigorous drum line regime. Pages are clear, sturdy quality that do not tear. Number 1. Trophy 9401 Flip Folder Replacement Windows. These replacement windows are designed for your Trophy 9401 flip folder. They are perfect for marching band use, ensuring your music is always protected. Each pack includes 10 high-quality, clear plastic sheets. They are easy to insert and will keep your music secure. These replacement pages are specifically made for the Trophy 9400 flip folder. It's an ideal way to expand your music storage. The transparent plastic allows for easy reading of your sheet music. You can see the music clearly, even in outdoor settings. Made to withstand frequent use, these pages are built to last. They are perfect for parades, practice, and performances. Whether you're a student or a seasoned performer, this is a great addition to your marching band setup. It's a must-have for any musician. What we like? These replacement windows offer crystal clear visibility for easy reading of your sheet music. The durable and reusable material is built to last. If you are a band student or performer needing extra pages for your flip folder, this is the perfect choice. You'll appreciate its perfect fit and durability. What people say? The pages are easy to flip. The product is well made. The design is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.